How to change 2.4 gigahertz to 5 gigahertz Wi-Fi on Windows. In this tutorial, I'll show you guys how to do that. First thing you have to do is simply open your Run dialog box by pressing Windows plus R, and you're going to have to type in here ncpa. So go ahead and type in ncpa.cpl, hit enter, and it will open up your network connections right here. Now just right click on your Wi-Fi network and go to its properties, and it will bring out this option right here. So you can go to network and make sure the IPv6 and IPv4 are checked out. And if you go to sharing, you can also allow other network users to connect through the computer's internet. Now click on OK. Now the next step you can do is go to properties again, and here you can click on configure. Another window will pop up on your screen. Now go to advanced, and now here you're going to have to go to 5 gigahertz properties if you find it here. So go to preferred band, and if this is set to preferred 2.4 gigahertz, make sure to change it to 5 gigahertz band. In general, you could see this as well, and if you go to driver, you can try to update the driver once, and if it says the driver is already installed, then you're good to go. The main step is to go to the preferred band right here, and then make sure to select it to 5 gigahertz band. Now click on OK, and then close this out. Now, if there is a 5 gigahertz band available while connected to Wi-Fi, your PC will always connect to that instead of the 2.4 gigahertz. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys, and I'll catch you guys on the next video.